Alright, so messing around with this carburetor on this GY6 engine today, and it's been kind of acting up on me here lately. It's struggling up hills and stuff. I don't know if it's the CVT with the variator and the clutch is worn out. Maybe the belt's slipping or something like that. But I figured I'd start with the carburetor and see if I can increase the power on it. So I got Boone out here helping me. Here it goes. Here's the new carb. It's got an electric choke on it that plugs up here. Comes with an air filter. That's pretty slick. And it comes with a new intake manifold. I took those two screws out, removed this plate, and then you just tilt this up and wiggle it out. Alright, so right here is the fitting for the gas inlet. So I just took it off and kind of laid it to the side here. Alright, so the only other thing I did was I disconnected this plug, and so it's basically green to green, yellow to yellow. Go ahead and take this boot off here because I believe I'm going to have to reuse this system. I don't know if my air filter, my new one's going to fit in this area here. Flash forward to new carburetor on. So I use that old bracket, put the throttle cable back on, use the new boot. I use this piece again here for the air intake because this filter would not fit in that area down there to connect to the air intake on the carb. The plugs did not end up matching, so I just butt spliced them together here. Hooked the fuel line back up. I'm now about to try it. Thanks, man.